Morning world and welcome to The Real Road. So we are currently on our way to the Surviving Actors acting convention in central London, which is very exciting. Even more exciting today is that acting hour. We are taking over their Twitter feed and their Facebook and their Instagram. It's like full social media domination. So we will be basically running around like crazy people today, telling everybody everything is going on. And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm here. Woo! Arrived at the Surviving Actors event. Now I've got in early because obviously we're doing the Twitter takeover, so we need to kind of see where everything is, make sure we know what we're doing, and also I've just done a Facebook live video for them and we're already on their Twitter. Mel is in there right now doing a live video on Twitter, which is exciting, but I just want to come and show you guys around as well. I'm really excited because I've only been in here like 10 minutes and already I've got a goodie bag. Yay! And I'm sure I'm going to add loads of things to it because I'm walking around and I'm seeing sweets on stalls, so I'm going to be all over that.
Free sweeties. Okay, so today we are giving away £35 presenter courses run at Pinewood Studios. We've only got 30 and free bags of sweeties as well. TV presenter training.
Hello! We are going to the first seminar of the day, which is really, really exciting. We're just heading in the queue now. We've got lots of excitable actors behind us, and I'm really, really excited.
So we're doing several things on the stand today. We're doing an iPad survey of actors, a chance to win some mentoring with me. But mainly today I'm here to do my talk at 3 o'clock, which is all about solving the problem you're brilliant, but no one knows you exist.
Thank you.
Hi there, I'm HCK Photography, I'm Kit. I'm running great offers and come and see me for headshots and publicity shots and win a headshot session today. Come and see me.
It is incredibly busy in here now. There are actors absolutely everywhere doing whatever they can to try and make themselves have a better career. Just been to my first seminar, which was the Secrets to a Successful Callback. Really good, some interesting advice from casting director Carol Dudley in there. Now I'm having a little look around the room again, which has got really, really, really busy now. There's like so many people in here. And then I'm off to my next seminar actually, which is going to be how to create the career of your dreams in LA, because I would love to work in LA, so naturally I'm going to do that. Also, behind me on this desk, right here, there are swords, so I'm going to go look at those now.
Hello there, this is British Academy of Stage and Screen Combat. We're here at Surviving Actors and we're presenting our actor training. We train in 9 different weapon systems. We run a number of different workshops through the years.
So my name's Oliver Hollis-Lake. I work at the Mocap Vaults. We teach actors how to work in performance capture, everything from the basic level all the way up to the advanced.
It's now 3:30 in the afternoon. I'm still at Surviving Actors. I've been to 5 seminars. It's been a very busy day. I have actually not had anything to drink, anything to eat. I'm going to have my pass now. I've got about 15-20 minutes before I have to go off to the next one. I've got 2 more workshops to go and then I'll be finishing at about 6 o'clock. I know, craziness. We've had fun taking over the Surviving Actors social media for the day. We've literally been all over the internet. There's been so much tweeting, so much Instagramming, so many live videos. We've talked to loads of people. I know Mel is off somewhere at the moment. She's either in another seminar or she's interviewing people on the floor. I don't know. I haven't seen her for hours because we had to split up to cover everything. yeah, really looking forward to the workshops because they're kind of more like practical practices, and I will share some of the advice from the stuff that I've learned a bit later because honestly right now I haven't got time and I'm so hungry, my stomach is literally like really loud, so I'm going to eat my pasta now. We're going in now to a practicing yourself tape workshop. What on earth is that?
Hey guys, I'm Vinny. Yeah, we're going in to do.
Your tongue is crazy.
We're going in to do the. Wait, what is it again? Oh yeah.
Practicing yourself tape workshop.
Yeah, and you didn't bring our tripods.
Well, you didn't know that we were supposed to bring a tripod. I was gonna bring a tripod, but it wouldn't fit in my bag, and also I kind of forgot. I got to the train station, was like, oh, tripod. Well, it was either be late or
She's
don't bring
acting.
one.
She doesn't have one.
I do.
She doesn't.
Actually do. I do. I also have a selfie stick with a detachable end that fits on top of the
That's got a
tripod.
GoPro.
Holds my phone.
She's got a GoPro.
It's not a GoPro.
It's a GoPro.
It's a different camera.
And she's filming in this.
Totally
Filming.
weird.
She's filming this on her GoPro as well.
It's definitely a phone.
It's not.
I'm gonna go now.
Prove it. It's a phone. Prove it. It's a phone.
I can't film it. It doesn't work like that.
See, she can't even prove that it's a
This
phone.
is like Team
It's not a phone.
Eaglestone, people running around everywhere. I missed the photo earlier. I'm so gutted.
photo?
We had a team photo for Eaglestone
Oh, yeah,
and I missed it. Sad. I'm going to Photoshop myself in.
Some people have what I call characterful eyes, which means that eyes that kind of don't all both point in the right direction. Which is cool, it's a nice thing to have, and it can be really, really attractive actually when your eyes don't exactly point. But what you have to do is look at both of your eyes.
Hello everybody, I'm Lydia and I am practicing my eye lines. Yay! I'm just currently looking at the corner of my phone to see if that looks good. Look who I just found! I found Mel! I saw her earlier. We've been around all day and I've completely missed her like the whole day.
So rude, right?
Sorry, I was really busy.
It's okay.
Mel, how's your day been?
Amazing. Workshop after workshop, and you know what they say, you are what you eat. Nuts.
Ooh, very good.
Do you want one? Yes. Almonds roll.
We're live! I have to be this excited because otherwise I'm having no energy left because literally it's been the busiest day ever, hasn't it?
So much fun though.
I haven't seen Mel in hours. We've had to
Keep running
split
past
up.
each other going, running away.
So hi world of surviving actors, we're about to head into the last workshop of the day,
Which I'm really excited about.
General American Accent Work. Yes! Very excited. I just had a really, really cool workship on self-taping. I'm practicing a self-tape with Manuel Puro. That was really useful actually. Some like interesting things that I didn't know about self-taping before, or like just minor adjustments and stuff. And also it's something to talk to my agent about because there's a way that she asks us to do things that she's like hates, so it's always good to pass on feedback. I don't know. But yeah, that's exciting. Mel, what have you been doing?
I've been wandering around and having some more interviews with people on the various stalls and things.
Oh, they're all over Facebook, aren't they? Yeah, they're on the Facebook.
They're on the Facebook, they're on here as well. There's
Can I say, yeah, it was a great event.
Say hello.
Hello.
George.
See, everybody's excited.
Yeah, we're excited.
There you go.
Also, we've been tweeting quotes and things from the workshops all day onto the Surviving Actors Twitter, so if you haven't checked those out, they're on there. Also, there's a load of them in our actual stories as well, so go and check that one out. And I think it's time to go into the workshop now. We've got to get our passes out, so bye.
Okay, we are going to the next station. Bye bye, take care. Bye.
Bye.
Workshop, okay.
Man.
Hello! This is the last video from Acting Hour team today. We have finished the day. It is done. We just finished our last workshop of the day. I was going to say seminar then, but it's not.
It was
just been
a
to a lot of them. It was a workshop, wasn't it? We just finished our last on the day, which was General American Accent, which was really useful for me personally because like I can do Californian, so learning General American is kind of interesting because it's like I'm not approaching it from English, I'm approaching it from different American, which is kind of different to most people. Anyway, extra advice on that was really good. It's been a fantastic day.
It has been very productive. That's
So
what I
so much information. My brain's like
Yeah.
on information overload.
I'm literally going to go home and make a massive plan for the rest of my year now. I've got it all down.
Yes, so many things to do, so much advice to do, so much advice to share
Yeah.
as well, because we went to different workshops throughout the day so that we could cover different things in different seminars, which I'm sure you guys have seen loads of different bits from all of our postings on Facebook and on Twitter and here on Instagram. Yeah, we have been everywhere.
We really have.
Everywhere. Literally. It's been a fab event. We've had a lot of chats to other actors around who all seem to be really enjoying themselves. The people leading the seminars and workshops have been absolutely fantastic. I just want to say huge thank you to you guys for like imparting your wisdom.
And they're all really enthusiastic and really understanding of what it's like to be an actor, and just loads of things that you don't even really think of. I've been told today, and you think like it sounds like so obvious when they actually tell you. You're like, yeah, of course, but then you don't think of it in the first place. So it's a good little reminder of some of the things you should be doing as well.
Definitely. Also, like, we all pick up bad habits as we go through as well. So sometimes it just takes someone to be like, no, this is not how you're supposed to do it. You should be doing it like this. I was like, oh yeah, I used to do it like that. Why don't I do that anymore? It's been really, really good fun. Like, everyone's so friendly, and it's nice to have so many actors all together in one place, especially in like a kind of friendly learning environment like this, as opposed to when you just bump into each other at auditions and sometimes like, who is this person that looks like me? I mean, I generally chat to these people anyway because I'm just like, yeah, competition. I hate that word. But
I've had a few actors say that to me today. It's just nice to have like a bunch of actors together, all in a really supportive environment, all learning together, and just really being like, yes, we're going to improve this year, and getting a plan together. It's such a lovely event.
Yeah, I think as well, it gives you, being at the beginning of the year as well, it gives you like a real kind of motivation boost to be like, okay, let's do these things.
Going,
and you sort of like, especially after January, because January's always slow in the industry, so it's really kind of like a good little confidence booster and a good like little motivational kick up the butt.
Which is what we all need sometimes.
Oh yeah, definitely, because we're all self-employed, so we all have to give ourselves kicks up the butt. So sometimes coming to something like this kind of makes you realise, oh, I do need to give myself a kick up the butt and get on with things.
You get some people to help you.
Yeah. And like developing new skills, learning like loads of different stuff. Oh, it's really cool. I want to say thank you to Surviving Actors for putting on such a fabulous event.
And for having us.
Again, to take over your social media. Maybe we'll go out next year. Maybe we'll not. I hope so. It's good fun. Thank you guys for running such a fab event. From an actor's perspective, because we both act as well. It's been really informative. It's been really good fun. From a company's perspective, as Acting Hour, it's great for us to come and network at. It's nice to kind of, we ran our own competition today, so we're going to have a winner for that, who will have won stage combat ticket for free to one of our workshops. And then just like generally, for everyone around, it's great. You get to meet people you wouldn't necessarily normally see, like casting directors and stuff, that will talk to you after the workshops or the seminars that they've led. And quite often you wouldn't necessarily get to talk to them unless you'd been invited into the room for a casting. It sometimes can take a while to do because it depends on the sort of rapport they have with your agent, or if you're self-represented, then it can be tricky to even get in there in the first place. So this is a really good way to like form those initial relationships. And so thank you guys for having us again. Thank you for putting on a fabulous event. It is done. It is over. I'm kind of sad.
We have to wait until next year.
Next year is so far away. I can't wait to see what next year brings with it. I'm really excited to do that, and hopefully one day we'll catch the one in America as well, which would be cool. Anyway, we're going to sign off now, guys. So this is bye from me, Lydia K, and you,
Melanie Krusty.
And we are Acting Hour. So thanks for having us. Bye, guys. Bye. Where's the off button?